Am I the only one that didn't know morning exercises could be this fun? Get ready to be surprised. Morning exercises don't have to be a drag. They can be the perfect way to wake up, boost your mood, and set the tone for an amazing day. Let's start with some simple stretches. Reach for the sky and feel that glorious stretch in your body. Next up, a quick round of jumping jacks to get your heart pumping. Feel that rush? That's your body thanking you. Now, let's move on to a little dance. Put on your favorite song and let loose. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be fun. And don't forget to smile, it's contagious. Just a few minutes of these morning exercises can make a world of difference. You'll feel more alert, more focused, and ready to tackle anything that comes your way. So, what are you waiting for? Make morning exercises a part of your daily routine and watch how it transforms your life. Remember, the best way to start your day is with a smile and a little bit of movement. Let's make today a great one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and easy ways to stay active.